Welcome to Seven Boards Academy. Right now we will discuss about how search engines read a web page. The first thing, search engines visit your home page, and whatever we see on the website, search engines don't read in that way. So let us take an example. If we click sevenboards.com, so this is what we see. Human beings, we see this is the page, the design, but the search engines, they actually read the source code. So basically they read this code here. So they start from this, from top to bottom. So we can say first search engines visit your website's home page, and then they follow the links to your other internal pages. So this is our home page, and then these are the different links. This word is called the anchor text, that is hyperlinked. So they first read the home page, the source code from top to bottom, then they go to this link, and again they repeat the process. They read the page from top to bottom. Now any website, whatever platform it is built, PHP, ASP.NET, any kind of platform, the source code is always in HTML. So the search engines, they read always the HTML source code from top to bottom. So I'm highlighting here, they read source code HTML from top to bottom, and then they interpret the meaning of the page by LSI method, that is called latent semantic indexing method. So from top to bottom, they take word by word, they try to find out what is the meaning, what is the synonyms of this particular word, and they try to interpret the meaning of the page, the subject of the page. So you should properly use the words, the most important words from top to bottom in your page. So search engines visit your website's homepage and then follow the links and go to other internal pages, and they read the source code from top to bottom. That process is called crawling. Now they take a copy of this page to their server and they store it on their data center. So that storing mechanism, the copying mechanism, is called caching or indexing. This caching means if we search anything on Google, so if I search digital marketing in Kolkata, so you get the result here. Now in SERP, now for example, if you click on this arrow, you see the cached page, and if you click on cached, you get the date when Google last crawled and indexed this page. So you can see it's on 2nd November 2015 at 15:03 GMT. So Google has crawled it and Google has indexed this particular page. So this is called caching or indexing. Now they repeat the process for other similar pages. That means if you have your competitor website, the same process is applied for them as well. Now what Google does? Now Google evaluate the similar web pages basically in three main heads. There are 25,000 parameters. We know 200 parameters. Google does not disclose the exact parameters. They only say you should focus for your customers, your potential customers, your users, so that they can get a better experience. So Google is basically telling you to focus on your business and try to give your best for your potential users. So automatically you will get better rank if you do so. But still, as a digital marketer, we know if you can work for web structure, content and popularity, then there is a chance that you can get better rank in SERP. So what they do, they basically, after indexing your web pages, they tally it with these three heads, and then they give some internal scoring to those pages and store them in search index. Now when someone searches in Google, they show the relevant results in ranked order against that search keyword in SERP. So if you are searching in google.com, suppose digital marketing companies in Kolkata, you would get a relevant result sets, organic results from 1 to 10 in the first page. So this process is called indexing and evaluation. So you can understand what is crawling, what is caching or indexing, and then how frequently Googlebot will crawl your web page. Now it depends on how you would update your website, how frequently you are updating your website. Now updating your website means not only changing an image or very minor changes. Updating basically means you are putting new content, high quality content, and obviously in a good length. It's not like very small content, short paragraph, not like that. It should be a minimum 350 words length. It should be well researched, unique, not copy pasted work. And if you do so on a regular basis, automatically the frequency of visit, the Googlebot, the crawler will visit your website more frequently. Now what is the benefit of frequently crawling your web page? So whatever change you make on your page, and if your site is updated on a regular basis, so more frequently Googlebot will crawl your page, and sooner you will get the changes reflected in search results. So the thumb rule is you have to update your website on regular basis with very good quality content. So content is very, very important, and updation of your website is very important in digital marketing. Now we can say, ideally from experience, we see one indexed page can come in rank for 3 to 6 keywords. Now how to find a number of indexed page for a website? You would see here, if we search in Google, we will put a command site colon 7boards.com and we put enter. Now you see this result, 1590 results. That means with this command we can see 1590 pages are indexed by Google. Now take another example. Now we say one indexed page can rank for 3 similar keywords. For example, we search here digital marketing training in Kolkata. So this is one keyword. You see 7 Boards Infosystem Private Limited here. Now in another you write digital marketing course in Kolkata. That is a different keyword but similar. You also see here the same page, 7 Boards Academy, that is coming here at the top. And take another example, digital marketing institutes in Kolkata. So this is another similar keyword, and if you see the result, you again see 7 Boards Academy page is again at number 1. So the same page is coming with 3 different keywords but similar nature. So digital marketing institutes in Kolkata, digital marketing course in Kolkata, and digital marketing training in Kolkata. So that's why we have told you that one indexed pages can come in rank for 3 to 6 similar keywords. Now if you have more number of indexed pages, that means better the chance of ranking in more keywords, and more keywords means more and more people will search in Google, in search engines, and there is a chance that you get more traffic to your website. So that's the reason we need great quality unique content, and updating your website on regular basis, that is very much recommended. So you should understand how search engines read a web page. So in summary, they visit a web page, they read the source code in HTML from top to bottom. They try to interpret the meaning of the page by reading the words and the sentences and finding out the synonyms. Accordingly, they store this page, the copy of this page, to their data center server. That process is called caching or indexing. Now after the indexed page, they tally the page with the similar other pages with three main parameters: web structure, content and popularity, and they store it to their search index. Now when a user is searching in google.com, then from the search index they fetch the result and they display it in SERP. Now more frequently you update your website with great content, better you get the crawling frequency from search board. So there is a better chance that your changes will be reflected in search rank. Now one index page can come for 3 to 6 similar keywords in rank, so you should have more number of index pages, so you need to write more quality content and update your website on regular basis. And if we see the source code, so this is a basic source code, HTML code. This is my starting HTML tag, then this is my head tag starting, this is my closing head tag, now the body tag is starting, now it is the closing body tag, now it is the HTML closing tag. Now most of the SEO tags, that means the technical tags, the technical things, elements that you need to place to get a better search rank for your page, those elements should reside mostly in the head part, and in the body part the most of your content will go here in this body part. So search engine basically read from this top HTML to up to this closing HTML. So you have to put the most important keywords in a sequence, in a proper sequence, right sequence, along with a right percentage of blending those words naturally in your content, so that it would be easier for search engines to interpret the meaning of the page. And remember, whatever programming language you have used for your website, the source code displayed in your browser is always in HTML, and search engines read that particular code. So thank you.